What? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiara, aka Heavenly Era, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the 23andMe Ancestry DNA test. When I tell y'all I am super excited about this right here, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I'm just so interested in finding out who I am. I've always been that type to always ask questions and different things like that. So I think it'll be pretty cool to actually see what I am made of. Of course, I'm going to have to do the test now, and then I'm going to have to send it back, and then I'll get my results. So I'm going to do this part first, and then when I get my results back, I'll come back and tell you all exactly what I am. This is the box here. Let me open this up. I'm not about to, you know, do the whole spit thing on camera because that's just disgusting for me. The kit here. So I have to scan the barcode that's on here. Ew, what is that? Alright. Here goes nothing. Alright, so I am done now. I filled it up. So I'm about to close this. Take the funnel piece off. Ew, what's in there? Ew, it's floating. So anyway, you take the funnel thing off and then you close this. Now I have to put it in this bag. Close this up. Put it back in the box. So it's in the box and I am about to ship this off first thing in the morning. I will return once I have my results. I'm so excited. Alright y'all, so I am back and I have my results. Yo, like, yo. Sorry if I do not pronounce these words correctly, these countries or whatever. Correct me if I'm wrong. My cousins, if you down there in the comments, you seeing this, let me know. And I'm talking about my cousins from the other side, from what this is telling me. They gave me a total breakdown of 100%. So I am 90.8% sub-Saharan African. 90.8. 90.8. 90.8. And I am 7.8% European. What? No wonder I am low-key like on the bougie side sometimes. I get it from my peoples. What's good? We are here, okay? Yes, like, yes. I wish I knew that when I was over there. I would have been trying to find my family, okay? When I was doing this, I thought I was gonna at least see some Indian something in here because that's what I thought I was this whole time. I thought I had some Indian somewhere. But it's no Indian anywhere in here. In the sub-Saharan African portion, I am 74.3% West African. 33.8% Ghanaian, Liberian, and Sierra Leonean. I am 22.1% Nigerian. What? Like, I've always been interested in Nigerians. Now I can say that I have some of that in my blood. I mean, which of course, duh, like, we're from Africa. But to really see the breakdown of what is really like, it's pretty cool. Like, pretty cool. I am 8.5% Senegambian and Ghanaian. And the crazy thing is I've always wanted to go to Africa. Like, I mean, every black person want to go to Africa, but I've always wanted to go to Africa for real. But my place that I wanted to go to, I wanted to go to South Africa. I still do. But I gotta go hit up the West African. Like, what's up, family? Like, what's good? I'm here. I have arrived. That, yeah, I need to do that ASAP. Sorry, sidetrack. So I am 9.9% broadly West African. In the Congolese and Southern East African portion, I am 12.5% Congolese and Southern East African. I am Angolan and Congolese, 9.0%. Southern East African, 1.2%. 2.3% broadly Congolese and Southern East African. and 0.8% African hunter-gatherer, and 3.2% broadly sub-Saharan African. This is pretty dope. I can't wait to go see my peoples. I've always wanted to go see my peoples, but I'm ready to go see my peoples now. Like, I know my peoples at. Like, I need to go find my peoples. And y'all know I will go. So in the 7.8% of the portion that I am for European, this is so interesting. I'm European. Like, I'm European. That's pretty cool. I am 5.9% Northwestern European, and that is 2.8% British and Irish. I'm Irish. I'm British. Hello. I'm a tea drinker. This is why I love tea. I'm probably just making stuff up, but I'm pretty sure this is why I like tea. And I like all that type of stuff that they be doing. So, when I saw the thing, it was telling me that I was Irish. I was like, no wonder I like the look of the Irish movie. I be trying to make stuff up to make stuff make sense. I'm probably telling the truth because it was in my blood. Those are my folks. Those are my people. I'm 0.7% Scandinavian, and I'm 2.4% broadly Northwestern European. 1.1% Southern European, and that is 0.7% Spanish and Portuguese, 0.2% Sardinian, 0.2% broadly Southern European, and 0.8% broadly European. Under trace ancestry, 0.3% Filipino and Austronesian, 0.2% broadly Western Asian and North African, and 0.2% Indonesian, Thai, Khmer, and Myanmar. And 0.7% was unassigned. These results are so freaking cool to me. I've always known that I was, of course, African, but the way that is broken down, like, whoa. And there's no Indian anywhere. There's no American nothing anywhere. Wow. I'm so glad that I did this. If y'all would like to do this, I have my link down below in the description box. No, this video is not sponsored. No, they're not paying me for anything. I pay for this with my own money, with my own coins. You all will get a % off of the kit. And I think that if you can afford it, you should definitely do it, because I think everybody needs to do this. Find out where you from. Find out where your people's at and go see your peoples. This is freaking awesome. I'm about to go to Africa. I'm about to go to Africa. I already been to Europe. I can always go back, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in trying this out, I definitely recommend it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video.